Customer pickup, we upgraded him, as in changed his head unit out, rewired the bike, cleaned him up. Oh yeah, hop up a second, man. Let me see something, man. Let me show you something. How we gonna work this over here. Okay, over here, bam. You come over here, you got one plug disconnect right here. Just bam.
Quick release.
Okay. Quick release like that. Okay, from there, pop your other bag open, sir.
All right.
Over here, similar. Bam, here, here. Two hands here, one hand here, pulls this one apart. Okay. This one right here, and deactivates, plugs this one out. Sometimes this plug won't want to pull out. The problem is right here, sometimes these little collectors right here, that tab, little knife and pop it up because sometimes it'll lock onto that locking mechanism. Okay. We mounted the amp because it was unstable.
Right.
I found one of the other plugs down the bottom of it, and I put in all 4 channels working. So Peter obviously did his job, so it's functioning. Close the back.
Close the back.
Okay, next, under the seat. Wham. Just like that.
Ooh, come on, money.
So you come through here, wham, we're up here and there, and clean and easy. If you ever had to get to the battery, you know, you pull the brain out, flip to the side, here, this will move right out the way.
Okay.
And so it's going up through the neck and straight to there.
Okay.
So we clean up all the unnecessariness,
right,
and it's easier to move. So let's take a listen, see what we got here. But you gotta sit down, man. You gotta sit on it, man. You ain't gonna be on the sideline because you the driver.
Hello.
So you know, let's go. Bam.
Many other brothers love you, but this pleasure is mine. There's no pressure for us to say that I love you from now. So fuck that comfort shit. I just want us to be comfortable now. Real. Who you loving? Who you wanna pull up? Who don't care who you dating as long as you.
Boy, that's Cardi B. Let's see something. Let me see, fine.
Come on now.
See? Tell somebody.
Yeah.
Well, it got a little more volume up in there too if you need it, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Wait till the rest of the chorus come in. There's no way she'd be like, where's she at? Where's she at? That's all I'm gonna give you right now. That's all I'm gonna give you right now. So I don't know how it sounded before.
It didn't sound like this, money.
Okay.
I done went up a few notches messing with you, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just want to know, make sure I made an improvement in your life, so you know.
You have another happy customer, man, satisfied.
Okay.
You fulfilled my needs from beginning to end.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah.
I just wanted to, let you see what I see.
Yeah.
Money's Car Stereo. That's what we talking about over here.